Hello there, my friends. This is Sandy, and today's video is going to walk us through my Wild Bunch 10 card kit. For this, you're going to use the Wild Bunch and Bordered in Beauty stamp sets to stamp up two of your white pieces and all of the pieces that are cut on the top part of the envelope there. So if you've got my kit, you're going to stamp all of your guys like that. And what I'm going to do is just hold this here for a minute, freeze for, oh, let's get it so you can see all the goodness. Um, Pause your cam or pause the screen and take a screenshot so you can get all of your stamping done. Okay, but you're going to again use two of the white cards from the back of your kit to do this part of it. And there's extras in here. I did some extra sentiment squares on this sample, but all the rest of it for this kit is your 10 card bases that are left. There were 12, now there's 10 left, and your 10 envelopes. Each envelope has what it needs to make that card. So let's go through the cards. So this one here, the envelope has this big piece. It's actually a full 4¼ by 5½ piece of paper. Sand it and then tear the corners off. And when you tear it, you're going to tear the back side toward you so that there's no white showing along the edge of that. And your, grab the envelope and see. Yeah, I already cut the diagonals for you. So it's just, one of these in each one of those corners. Then you're going to add all your little embellishment pieces. So 1, 2, 3 different tags, the happy birthday, one of your koalas, and a couple of the pink gems to finish that one off. Envelope number 2, you're going to use this piece here that you've stamped that scallop along the edge and cut the edge, the white part off the edge of the scallop, leaving a little bit of white and then the scallop with that blue polka dot piece going through the middle of that. That gets attached to that banner on top of that with your tags and your snails. Fun, right? This next one, you're going to take the ink pad and gently rub the ink pad flat over top of the embossed paper to make that color really pop. This piece here, the black is wider than you need it to be, again, because we're tearing. Pull this back a little bit so you can see we're tearing this so that the white is not exposed on the black side of the paper with the polka dot going through all your little tags, your sentiment, and look at that cute little cow. Next one, you're going to frame this embossed piece along the top so that you've got 1/4 of an inch all the way around. Put this piece, it's a 1 by 5½ across, then your black cardstock is going at an angle and you'll cut the ends off of that pattern piece too, your cluster of banners, your cluster of friends, couple of gems. This is the exact same card, just turned the other way. So again, frame that. This piece must be a little bit bigger, must be 1¼ goes across there with your diagonal pieces of black, and it's easier if you do the hexagon piece and then do the black piece. Add all of your little embellishments, your moo cows. I did all of my coloring with the Stampin' Blends markers, and this one you can really tell on those cows all the different layers of colors by using the blending and really getting kind of like hair looking on that cow. Fun. And again, all this little accent here. Let me find that stamp set. Where'd I go with them? Oh, right here in front of me. Um, I used these pieces to make these kinds of marks along the edges. So, play around, have fun with it. Love, love, love. Makes me so happy. Really does. This one, you're going to use this stamp here, kind of at a diagonal so that you get these diamond lines. And I did 1, 2, 3 generational stamping so that you get lots of different dimensions of color. Added a couple of the butterflies right to the patterned paper. And then you're going to add your little tags. I popped the sentiment banner, your little black strip behind there. And then this is from your cutout pieces that you've stamped that butterfly strip on, just colored in the rainbow. Fun, right? White dash, that's all done with a white gel pen, those dash marks there. All right, this one here, we've got our smoothie, or what is this? Calypso Coral cardstock with some, this is the ripped piece that you're going to have facing, the white's going to face forward. We've got some flowers from the stamp set right here. That flower is what does this. And then I just took the white gel pen and put white gel on where the flowers go. To get the single heart, I cut, I'll just show you. I cut my stamps. That's what I do. I cut my stamps. So I've got this butterfly strip. But this butterfly I just separated, and when you put it on the block, it just sticks right back together on the strip. Same thing with the single heart. I just have one heart cut aside so that I can use it as a single stamp. Again, same thing, we've just got our clusters of tags, our sentiment. Here are penguins. And I did add a couple of those single hearts to that white and blue polka dot banner piece. This one here, very simply, that piece, then add this one. This one I ripped again, ripping backwards so that the white was not exposed on the red side. I added 2 different kinds of hearts to that patterned paper and even added a little white gel pen triple dot near the clusters of hearts. Then add your cluster of tags and your cute little penguins, your bling. That one's good. This one, we've got our cardstock base. Then you've got your 2 pieces that are going to go on next. And you just want to figure out where they're going to fall to give yourself that perfect frame around the edge there. Add your square to this piece. This one tag, all these tags here, 1, 2 up top, they're just going to get cut off. You can keep them and save them for something else if you want, or you can just throw them away. Add this one I liked kind of tucked underneath all of that there. Dash marks with the white gel pen around there. We've got our koala bears with all the different layers of grays and little pink ears. Here we've got, again, our cardstock perfectly centered in the middle so that you've got an 1/8 of an inch frame. Then we've got our black piece that goes in the middle of that, the 2 different panels, your tags. I added the blending brush around the happy birthday. Add your koala. That is my Wild Bunches 10 card workshop. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. I did run out of kits of these, but use your own papers and grab your Wild Bunches stamps and start playing.